Everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Stihl MS 362C. This one has the test muffler, the buckshot muffler. It is dual ported on the front. This is the new version muffler that does split, has a front casing. And if you would like to test the power output on your Stihl MS 362 chainsaw, I do sell these test mufflers. They're not to be used for firewood cutting. Two ways to buy it. You can buy the front casing, or you can buy the complete muffler. So if you got any interest in these high performance test mufflers, give the chainsaw guy a call.